Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device, Lexmark 2236i device, and now I'm gonna show you how to check supply status, how to check your inks status on this printer. So firstly, as you can see, we need to find status and supplies here in my menu and click status and supplies. Then just click supplies, and here you'll see black cartridge and imaging unit. And as you can see, I have full of black cartridge. I have a new black cartridge now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.